Okay, I'm gonna go through the process for assembling your jack-o'-lantern. So I already have the eyeball set up, which is connected to the Arduino, and that is plugged into the cable, which has already been passed through that hole in the back of the pumpkin. Okay, so all this goes inside, and we take our skewers and we have to pass them through the mounts on the bottom and place them into the pumpkin. Now we're going to be pushing the edges of the skewer into the side of the pumpkin in order to have it suspended in air. So we just kind of line up the pumpkin eyeball, the eyeball to the hole of the pumpkin where it's appropriate, and then you just gently push the skewers into the side of the pumpkin. If you're using a real pumpkin, it can go in pretty deep, but with this foam pumpkin, I have to go fairly shallow, otherwise it will poke through the edge of the pumpkin. Just be careful not to poke through your finger as you do it. And that looks pretty good right there. It may take you a few tries to do that. My first time doing it, it took me about 10 tries before I got it positioned in the correct way. And so then at this point you want to take it, plug it in, and see if it operates the way you want it to. And we can see the eyeball is moving fairly well in that space, so I don't think I need to adjust it. If you have trouble with this, and particularly if the eyeball is moving too far in any one direction, you may need to adjust your code. Just come on in during tutorial any day this week, and I'd be happy to help you out with that.